It's boo chicken boo.
Say it loud.
Boo chicken boo.
Say it one more time.
Boo chicken boo. You're hurting my ears a little bit. Okay.
Say boo chicken boo.
Boo chicken boo.
Say boo chicken boo.
Boo chicken boo.
Run chicken.
Run chicken.
Eleanor's coming to get you, chicken.
Go get you a chicken.
Boo chicken.
Boo chicken.
Run chicken.
Run chicken.
Say I am Eleanor.
I have Eleanor. Oh! It wants me to scare it again.
Okay. So you want you to scare it again?
Yeah.
You want her to go again? Okay.
Oh no.
Are we ready? Boo chicken.
Boo chicken.
Boo chicken.
Boo chicken.
Say boo chicken.
Boo chicken.
Run chicken.
Run chicken.
Blah 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 blah.
Run chicken or I'll get you our boat.
Boo chicken boo.
Boo chicken boo. He said boo chicken boo chicken. That was so funny, right? The boo chicken.
I love you, Eleanor.
No.
Did we get her?
Run chicken or I'll boot you.
You'll punch the chicken.
I'll boot him. Cluck, cluck,
Is the
cluck.
chicken going cluck cluck? Oh no. That's pretty pliffant.
Run chicken, run chicken, run chicken, run chicken.
Did,
Oni?
is it not getting frightened? So that you just put a sign up and hope that people respect the sign. That's a very that's probably pretty it's like an official sign. It's a thank you the management sign. Right. Is she doing to the poor tree? You know, she loves it when I put the video camera on her, because now all she wants to do is run for Senate. That's what she calls it. She tells me that. She goes, "Daddy, can we go run for Senate?" and
What are you guys doing here?
say that again.
What are you guys doing there? Here.
We're just running for Senate.
Oh.
Who are you?
I spot you, funny.
Ice Bat, do you support Eleanor for Senate?
Yeah.
Ice Bat, what would you say to a chicken with a piece of blue paper on it?
Well, just don't go eat. I'm just not gonna take you. I know it's gonna take you free. Oh, I'll take you chicken.